Today we're showing you a John Deere 5410 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has a self-leveling John Deere 541 quick attach front loader that goes with it. Bucket is the 500 series style quick attach. The tractor has approximately 5,500 hours on it. We traded this tractor in for a similar newer machine. Previous owner said there was no issues with the machine, and we cannot see any mechanical issues with it either. I did notice that the fuel gauge is not working, but as far as mechanical issues, did not notice anything at all. Seemed to do everything it's supposed to. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is. Where is here? Rear tires are probably about halfway wore out. Front tires are going to need to be replaced before too long here. Engine runs good, the paint's pretty good on the tractor. It's straight, it's not all beat up. The inside of the cab is certainly not new in here, but it's also not terrible. It's 5509 are the current hours on it. We do have the air conditioner blowing in here. It's nice and cool in here. The temperature outside is about 70 or 71 degrees, so it's not super warm out, but it is nice and cool in the cab here. The air is blowing cold. And again, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so you're buying the tractor as is, where is. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com. We also can offer low rate financing for this machine, and also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have questions, again, please contact us at masttractor.com.